Like that, sir, depends
So
upon
modules, sir, sensor package.
Yeah, package.
Depends on how much
Distance you can add.
real estate, sir.
Real
If
estate.
you have more real estate, then
Yeah.
you can put more.
Then
Sir,
only.
only the monthly package 750 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది సార్. So 750 you can swap anywhere wherever available. Becoming cheaper, sir.
public charging stations.
What is the cost now? What is the benefit out of it?
Sir, mostly
Petrol versus two, they were swapping.
normally a petrol vehicle for 1 kilometer it will charge you around 5 rupees. But for this 1 kilometer is around less than 1 rupee. That's
Sir,
what
cost of ownership is very
It's a temporary.
proven, sir.
Yeah.
There is no problem.
No, that is where I want to go total 100% transformation within 5 years time. All my RTC buses, total EV and AC. I want to provide 50 women free. So that they can go anywhere in the estate.
Sir, EV swapping policy is the one which is pending, sir, which we want to give you a percentage.
battery swapping policy which is pending from almost 3
Government
years.
of
It was
India.
drafted by Niti Aayog in 2020.
We'll take it. We'll take it up. We'll take it up. I will take it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Namaskaram. Ita? Please. Okay, ma. Wait. మీరు ఒకటి చెప్పాలి
Permanent
భవిష్యత్తు
facility, sir. All our people can come and put their products. We'll also bring the investors and also bring the research people to help them, sir. What are the permanent things?
రావాలనా
Yes.
ప్లీజ్ కమ్ సార్
వెల్కమ్ సార్ నమస్తే అంతే కదా
One more, sir. We'll have routed everyone.
Yeah. Good. Hands up.
Please welcome, sir. Sir, please.
Right.
Sir, please.
Now we are creating drone city, sir,
Yes, sir.
in Orvakal.
Drone city.
Itself. Manufacturing and also defense, aerospace, everything we are working. Now new technologies I am going
Where
to.
is that?
Orvakal, Kurnool, sir. Kurnool, near to Hyderabad, National Highway
Sir, it's a tri-junction between Hyderabad, Bangalore, and
and
Kind
Amaravati.
of industrial park for.
Yeah.
We already have around 10,000 acres of park, sir. Government of India is partnering with us for 2,500 acres, sir.
Now there is no drone policy in Government of India also they are restricting. Now I am making them transparent how to get it done.
and a full runway for
Even civilian usage and also for defense, both.
Defense, our country has to be completely drone based, sir.
Yeah. Then that is the future, sir. Otherwise, why should we have all these things?
Also, people, what capability we have, nobody else will know.
Yeah. That is what I am saying. Always.
Point is, if you have a fighter jet, what fighter jet you have, everybody will know.
Yeah. No, that is only the way we have to.
One more highway.
Hi-Fi is giving, sir. Hi-Fi.
All okay. Anything they can do now.
Yes, sir.
No
It's
problem.
to dance and everything
Yeah,
is there.
yeah.
And any scenarios is there. We'll operate.
Sir, this is a place, prototyping lab, sir. If any person comes with an idea, we are giving the basic required equipment, like 3D printers, testing equipment, software, everything, to test their products, validate it, improve it with the help of our people, so that it becomes more refined, more better. Because rural areas,
Please come, sir.
because rural area people have a lot of ideas, sir, but they can't convert it into a product. The prototyping lab helps them to convert their basic idea into some product, which we can refine further and make it a marketable product.
So 6 years back, we have famous MOU for Amaravati Development Program. This is our memory. And we have established 300 Atal Tinkering Labs, sir, across
Okay.
the state of Andhra Pradesh. And we are giving internship and training support to all the schools and colleges. We have got some prototyping models. So these are the smallest 3D printer, sir. And there's the single 3D printer with Prosa model. And any student who has an idea can design, develop, and any concept to a level. Sir, we have printed a CNC laser cutter for you,
You
sir.
have to validate all these things, sir.
Yes, sir, I have noted the company name.
No.
Thank you, sir.
I am asking him to validate what you are doing
Sir.
and also give guidance continuously.
Yes, yes.
Then only.
Our Ravi Arora is here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, come,
I
sir.
will ask him, I will speak to him.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Sir, please. This is our CNC machine, sir. So we have got laser cutter, 3 printer, and CNC all together. This is the smallest model that we have got.
Yeah.
And we have got the multicolor 3D printer as well. So any idea that comes to the students can be designed and developed in any model, sir. So this is one of the prints that is there for you, sir. This is a laser CNC cutter, sir. This is a wood sheet, sir. And we can have a design like this.
Very
This is the
nice.
model. Thank you, sir.
Good.
So here I just want you to take one step forward. There is an AI-based model, sir. Camera. So you can raise your hand so that the hand will be moving accordingly. Yeah. Close one after the other finger so that it will move accordingly. Yeah. 2, 1, 0. And you open it up, it opens. AI-based model which does with 3D printing. So here is the drawing, sir.
Everything will come.
So this is an innovative model that we have developed for 2D drawing machine. Any picture that you give on the screen, it will be designed and it can be printed. So we have printed multiple designs that we have brought. And in a prototyping lab, we'll be having all this components. Yeah, this is a bar design. These are all the components.
Yeah.
Kids know their idea.
Time.
Any person with an idea, in this lab, we have the equipment to convert it to a small product, sir.
Yeah.
The prototype product, which
Yeah.
can be scaled up by R&D. We have training halls.
This is a training hall.
Yes, sir, training halls. where kids
How
can-
many training halls you are
We
having?
have 2 major training halls, sir. But we have a lot of other small spaces where
Discussion, debate.
10 people, 20 people, 50 people, different kinds of training halls.
Take space here.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. We give this space. Different
More like this research park.
research park, plus the model of
Yes, no,
TS.
Kamakodi is not.
Yes, sir. He's today is not here, sir. He's part of the.
We are using his services. I am using his service. He is always passionate.
Ashok Nirmala.
Ah.
He has a meeting with Gadkari. He is scientist deputy. That's all.
We want to bring all knowledge, sir,
Yeah.
who are all there in the country. Yeah. To make it, it is a new concept we are taking up.
Main thing is to take beats the best in the world.
That is where we have to start.
Otherwise, we cannot carry.
No, it will be temporary.
Even things like
Yeah.
dressing room for women, meditation, all those other things also we are taking care of, like proper ecosystem.
Also, benchmark, not working model.
Yeah.
World's best model.
Yes.
I have seen the humanoid hall. I went to China March 20 week.
No, you get the best practices, sir. We will implement everything.
Importing those machines. I told them, send me a few machines. So I told our guys, you should.
Yeah, that's only the way. You use it and then get ideas. Very interesting. But they have spent so much of money, so much of energy for new innovations.
So this is all the space where kids can work, sir. We have created around 600 people can work from here, sir. All workstations, discussion rooms.
Down below, what is the area? This campus?
3%.
Oh, this is a reconstruction, but outside.
మొత్తం బిల్డింగ్స్
Building పక్కన చుట్టుపక్కల campus.
ఈ బిల్డింగ్ there is total 3 lakhs, sir. Each floor 50.
It's okay, but outside any gardens like that.
ఈ బిల్డింగ్ సార్
Just they have the regular
Just
parking
regular-
వెళ్ళడానికి.
అదే మాకు కొంచెం పార్క్ కూడా డెవలప్ చేస్తే బోర్ కొట్టేప్పుడు కిందికి కూడా కాఫీ క్రియేటివిటీ
Areas less, sir.
గ్రీనరీ ఏరియా
కొంచెం అట్లాంటి spaces create చేశారు సార్ టేబుల్స్
ఇవి లాభం లేదు వాట్ ఐమ్ సేయింగ్ నేచర్లో కూడా ఓపెన్ స్పేసెస్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ సార్ 2-3 acres gardens also so that relax and recreate.
space adjoining, sir.
2 acres, 3 acres.
Anytime.